Oh yeah, when I put on my hand, they drop. Then, for me to save this hair, her out, I need to weave it. I need the coils. Make I weave them. Make una dey maintain una hair. Okay, this is how it is. We have to proceed with everything here. Masian, how did they come? So they come. Don't continue. Now this side now with my plate. Oh yeah, when I put on my hand, they drop. Nasianso. Okay. So that is how to maintain what you have. So all my videos that I am posting on social media has meanings. It's just like when I'm taking care of clothes. Sometimes those clothes, even if that I buy them, some of them from a low budget store. But when I will tell you how many years they have spent with me, you will be so shocked and surprised. You know what I'll say? Oh, is this what you bought for 20 euro? You will say, I have a lot of clothes bought with a lot of money. I have some that I bought with low budget of money. But the maintenance matters a lot. The same with hair. You have to maintain them by yourself. Are you seeing? 25. 25 come out. This, because this is a wave. So this, I have to systemize it with it. Okay. Second, I will be going there. Third. So, this is how they are right now. Then let me make a little spray. Okay, this is how to maintain your hair. Alright, then maybe this period when I'm losing them, I'll take off this because I do not have much. I have another week to do. Then take off this. Then when I'm losing them, I am coming back to come and show you guys how it is. How it is. So we are done. Thank you guys. It's just like when you put it on your head. Let me just quickly show you. Okay. When you put it on your head, this is how it's gonna be. This is how it's gonna be on your head. I'm going to systemize this, but I'm just showing you. Okay. Ha! I love you.